Hello everyone. In today's video, we will explore the key principles of ethical hacking. Let's get into the topic. Ethical hackers seek permission before testing, aim to fix vulnerabilities, maintain transparency with organizations, respect confidentiality, and commit to continuous learning to stay updated on cybersecurity threats and technologies. Legal approval in ethical hacking confirms the legitimacy of ethical hackers, ensuring their activities are authorized and separate from malicious actions. It helps reduce risks during cybersecurity assessments, builds trust, and clarifies responsibilities. Additionally, legal consent ensures compliance with regulations, protecting sensitive data and preventing penalties or damage to an organization's reputation. Non-disclosure agreements ensure ethical hackers keep sensitive information confidential, protecting organizational data and creating a secure assessment environment. They define engagement parameters to prevent misunderstandings and provide legal recourse for breaches. Ethical responsibilities and conduct involve acting with integrity by being honest and upholding strong principles. It includes respecting privacy by protecting sensitive information, being accountable for actions, and following laws and regulations. Additionally, it means treating everyone fairly and promoting equality in all interactions. Ethical hackers must follow strict data handling practices, including minimizing data collection and using encryption, to protect sensitive information during assessments. This upholds privacy and builds trust with stakeholders. Core ethical guidelines include being honest and fair in all actions, treating everyone with dignity and kindness, and taking responsibility for your decisions. It also involves treating people equally without bias and keeping sensitive information confidential unless you have permission to share it. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe.